Hello, just had some very disturbing reports across the internet about the latest Windows 10 update 1809, which is a feature update from Windows. These updates come out every 6 or so months. The latest one seems to have problems with deleting user files from out of the default Windows user settings file locations. So if you haven't moved your files from in your documents or your downloads or your videos or potentially even your desktop files, then the update could potentially delete them all. Anything obviously that's been shifted or redirected to OneDrive is fine. And there are a couple of ways around this, stopping this from happening just until Microsoft get this sorted out. First of all, I would recommend pausing all updates and maybe even deferring the feature updates in the settings. I've had reports of some people being recommended to roll back the update. I don't see how this could possibly restore any lost files because the files are deleted. They're not being renamed or anything, they're being deleted. So this is a major issue. I will put a brief couple of screenshots up around where you can go to make these changes. Alright, okay, cheers, bye. Obviously, this is a major failing on Microsoft's part, and they should get this fixed as soon as possible. The update pause should be enough to fix it. The update pause should be enough to get time for Microsoft to fix it and get the updates out so that after the pause comes off, you shouldn't have any problems. I will keep you updated if you need to extend that pause at all. The deferring of the updates, that's just a personal choice. I put it in there in case you wanted to do that yourselves. Okay, cheers. Hi, thanks for watching. If you've liked what you've seen, please hit the like button. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe using the subscribe button below. Also, to be notified for future videos, hit the bell.